Welcome to the office experience. We are here today at Orgatec in Cologne, Germany, to show you a little bit of how we can integrate all kinds of systems to work together to provide with the best employee experience in the world. Come with me. Once you've arrived and your car is parked, the next step is to use the turnstile to open the door of your building. How to do so? Thanks to Spaceti, we've integrated that mobile key so that you can have an easy way to access without carrying extra keys or badges. Let me show you how. For my application, I open my mobile key and simply get closer to the turnstile. Within seconds, it detects that the lock is here and allows me to open because I have the right credentials to do so. Spaceti is integrated with Gantner lockers and allows you, with a simple click on the application as well, to find a locker that is available and unlock it directly because an action has been realized and it's open for you. Now you can store all of your belongings and go on for the day. Simply lock your locker through the system as well, and you can release it at the end of the day when you finish with your day. Something I really like to do when I go to the office is to collaborate with my colleagues. What I can do through this application is find if any colleagues are here that day, maybe look for them, and make sure I sit next to them to engage that collaborative work. On the interactive map, simply click on the available spots and book directly. Again, simply head to the Spaceti application and schedule a meeting. Within a few clicks, you can simply go to the interactive map again, look at the available space, click on the one that you want to book, select, and submit. Now, what about the time that you're just wandering around the office and you are not booking anything, but you're simply getting into the spaces? How do I make sure that these spaces are shown as not available for others? This area here is a think tank. A think tank is just an area that has sensor underneath. The sensors are of course provided by Spaceti, but you can also integrate with sensors that you already have within your offices. As soon as there is a person that is present, the sensor detects that presence and makes that space not available anymore and show in red. This is the maps that is interactive. See, no one is here at the think tank at the minute, hence the think tank is green and available. On the other side, here is the meeting room. You can see the little sensor, the black bubble on the lighting on the floor. This detects that people are around, hence the space on the application is shown as red. As you can see, it's in use, but not booked. This is why sensors, occupancy sensors are here. Last part of our sensors and what they do great is catching the environmental factors as a CO2 emission, as a level of humidity, as temperature, as also decibels. So all of these data that we've aggregated, whereas it is through scheduling and booking different things or through our sensors, is gathered and fetched into our dashboards. You can see here the utilization for the day, the environmental factors as well, depending on the different types of workspaces we're looking at. You, of course, can look back within the days and see what was that data for the day before, for the quarter, for the entire year. Why so? Because fetching that data, understanding it, understanding how your space is used, is what allows building managers, facility managers, and everyone that is involved in such projects to make small decisions. Data is nothing without doing anything with it, so understanding that data is really the true value of what Spaceti is about. We can see here that yesterday that was a utilization of about 41%, the hourly occupancy and the daily occupancy. Another amazing feature we have is the heat map. With the heat map, you can understand the use of the different offices throughout the day, as spaces turn red as they get more utilized. And last but not least, our latest feature that we're very proud of and very proud to present today, Spaceti AI. What is it? It's literally a tool that you can use to completely do the work for you. For example, one of the questions that you can have is, what is the occupancy in the office yesterday? By simply asking the question live, I'm going to wait for Spaceti AI to do the job for me, fetch the information, aggregate all data that we have, and do a little analysis for me. If you need to present to anyone, this is a way to do. Makes you save time and effort.